हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। पिछले क्लास में हमने देखा था कि माइनस एंड कोफैक्टर कैसे फाइंड करेंगे। आज हम लोग इस वीडियो में देखने वाले हैं कि किसी मैट्रिक्स का एडजॉइंट कैसे, किसी स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स का एडजॉइंट कैसे फाइंड करते हैं। तो उसके लिए माइनस एंड कोफैक्टर्स का कंसेप्ट होना बहुत जरूरी है। अगर आपने पिछले क्लास को मिस किया है तो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक है, आप जाकर उस वीडियो को देख सकते हैं। सबसे पहले माइनस एंड कोफैक्टर का कंसेप्ट क्लियर करना है और उसके बाद हम लोग बढ़ेंगे आज एडजॉइंट ऑफ मैट्रिक्स की तरफ। तो आज हम लोग एडजॉइंट देखते हैं, एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स। सबसे पहले इसका डेफिनेशन को समझते हैं कि व्हाट इज एडजॉइंट ऑफ ए मैट्रिक्स। लेट अस सपोज दैट A equals to Aij be a square matrix of order n, and let Cij denote the cofactors of Aij in determinant A. ठीक है, let us suppose that A be any square matrix of order n, and let Cij denote the cofactors of Aij in determinant A. That means Cij denotes the cofactors of corresponding elements of matrix A. Then adjoint of A is denoted by adjoint A, ADJ, adjoint A, and is defined as adjoint A equal to transpose of Cij. इसका मतलब हो रहा है कि adjoint A is the matrix of the transpose of cofactors of determinant A. First we have to find the cofactors of each element of determinant A, and then we have to obtain the matrix of the cofactors of determinant A, and the adjoint will be the transpose of that matrix, that is transpose of the matrix of cofactors. So let us understand this concept through an example. So we have a question. If A equals to 2 5 1 3, it's a 2 by 2 matrix, 2 5 1 3, then we have to find the adjoint of matrix A. Clearly we can see that determinant A is equal to 2 5 1 3. Now first we have to find the cofactors of determinant A. So cofactors of determinant A are what? C11 3, C12 minus 1, C21 minus 5, and C22 2. The formula of cofactors, finding cofactor is, we know it, that Cij is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into Mij. We have discussed it earlier. This is the formula for finding cofactor. Cij equals to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, ij, minus 1 to the power I plus j into Mij. Now what is Mij? Mij is the minor of that element. So using this formula, first we have to find the cofactors C11, C12, C21 and C22. The values are 3, minus 1, minus 5, 2. Now we have to find the matrix obtained by these cofactors, and the transpose of that matrix will be the adjoint. Clear? So here is the adjoint. Adjoint is the transpose of the matrix of the cofactors of determinant A, and the matrix of cofactor is C11, C12, C21, C22. Its transpose. So let's put the values of cofactors 3, minus 1, minus 5, 2, transpose, and the transpose, what is transpose? By interchanging the rows and columns. So let us interchange the rows and columns and we get the adjoint. So this is our adjoint, 3 minus 5 minus 1 2. It should be clear to all of you. Adjoint is the transpose of the matrix obtained by the cofactors of determinant A. Clear? Okay.